Hi, welcome to the UVB. I'm going to show you how to make some weeds, any scale for your layout. Alright, what I did was I took this rope that I found in the garage, and then I found some wax paper, and then I added some glue, poured on there like that. And then I just cut little pieces of that rope off and shoved them in the glue. You do this any shape or pattern you want. You want to make a row of them, you do a row. You just want to make a round clump, or however you want to do it. You just continue on doing that, and then you let it dry, and then you'll have this tuft. And it should come off this like wax paper relatively easily. Then you have this tuft of weeds. And after that, if you want, you can always trim it to get the height or shape that you want. Maybe you want the sides to be a little bit lower and the middle to be a little bit taller. Or if you want the whole thing to be shorter. Trim it any way you want. So now I got my two tufts of weeds here. You can fluff them out, or maybe you want to mat the middle down a little bit so you can put like a sleeping deer or something in there, or hide some animals in there. You could also use food coloring for the glue, so then it's green or whatever color you want it to be. Trim it any shape you want. And you got your two glue, or your two weeds. You can do this any size you want too. If you want to do that whole sheet of paper as far as weeds, you can do that. Alright, so then after you got all your weeds, or some, you don't even have to have all, you got this little tuft, and just glue it down somewhere, wherever you decide to glue them. We have a whole field, you can put them around a swamp. Do anything, that'll work. That should work for any scale too. Well, that's my thing. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll post more when I do more on my coffee table layout.